Welcome to MVP Auto Zone. Today we're diving into something that breaks every rule of luxury travel, the all-new 2026 Rolls Royce RV Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's the definition of ultimate prestige on wheels, where the spirit of Rolls Royce meets the freedom of the open road. Imagine a vehicle that carries the same aura as the Phantom or the Ghost, but now reimagined into a grand motorhome designed for those who want to travel without ever leaving behind luxury, comfort, and sophistication. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls Royce RV Motorhome is breathtaking, sculpted with iconic lines, a signature Spirit of Ecstasy emblem leading the way, and a commanding road presence that announces elegance wherever it goes. Every inch of this masterpiece has been handcrafted with the same dedication Rolls-Royce is known for, but engineered to serve as a moving five-star residence. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world that feels more like a palace than an RV. From the handcrafted wood veneers to the plush leather seating, the interior reflects Rolls-Royce's timeless attention to detail. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while panoramic windows give you sweeping views of the world as you travel. The 2026 model is designed with a full lounge, a chef-inspired kitchen, a private master suite, and even a spa-style bathroom that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome. When it comes to technology, Rolls-Royce has integrated the latest innovations seamlessly. A smart control system allows you to adjust climate, lighting, and entertainment with a touch, while advanced connectivity keeps you in control wherever you roam. Underneath, the RV is powered by a refined and powerful hybrid system, delivering smooth and quiet performance while remaining eco-conscious. It's not just about arriving in style, it's about traveling responsibly without compromising luxury. The 2026 Rolls Royce RV Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It redefines what it means to journey, turning every road trip into a royal escape. For those who demand nothing less than the best, this is not simply an RV, it's the ultimate expression of freedom, luxury, and prestige on wheels. Stay tuned with MVP Auto Zone for more incredible machines like this one, because this is the future of luxury travel.